Can you tell us a little bit about what your new channel is all about?
Dave and Kathy Unplugged. It's about anything other than electric vehicles. So for example, I'm just filming YouTube clowns cooking burgers and shrimp on the barbie. Okay? That's content right there. Who brings you that kind of content?
That's right.
I do. It's a party on Marco Island in the USA. Captain America out with the kids, pounding the flesh, loving this. This is Marco Island, July 4th. Welcome to another episode of Dave and Kathy Unplugge. We're getting into it. Let's see what it's like to celebrate the 4th of July on Marco Island. All right, so Marco Island, Florida. We've been coming here since
I think 2012. We've had every 4th of July here on this beach, except for last year when we were
we did the cruise, that's right.
Yeah, but otherwise, this is the tradition. We come here every year with our great friends.
Yeah, Rob and Joanne, they bought a condo over, let's see, where is it? That building there. And then we ended up buying a condo years later in this building here, and we're now out on the beach here. And wait till you see later on tonight. The fireworks are so much fun. What happens here?
That's why it's a must-do to be on Marco Island for 4th of July. It's just a great place to bring your family.
Yeah.
It was cloudy all morning, but now people are starting to come out. It's windy, and actually we have waves. We never have waves, but boy, do we have fireworks tonight.
Yeah, usually
9 p.m.
the Gulf is usually a puddle, right? And
and
today, if you can see, it's kicking up. Now, at dark, they're going to have fireworks right out in front of where we're sitting right now, literally. And the JW is right over there. And
so the beach will be packed with people, but we are going to be watching it from what I call our perch.
Oh, we're not coming down here to watch?
We never do.
Oh.
We always watch it from the perch.
Yeah, that's
it's
true.
Like our own private fireworks.
Yeah, that's
our
true.
Friends, and we'll all be together.
That's true. So what happens is everybody pulls their boats out in the Gulf, and then a barge.
And I thought you were going to say in a bar.
And a bar, yeah, maybe a bar. There probably is one of those as well. But you know, Captain America comes out every year, as we saw. Party in the USA.
Yeah, they just make it a lot of fun for everybody.
They make it a lot of fun,
especially for the kids. But it's a great time here on Marco Island for July 4th.
Yeah. So we're just gonna be taking some scenes of the beach, July 4th, Marco Island style. See a water spout right there. Look at that. That is spectacular. You don't want to be near that if you're in a boat. That's beautiful. Look at that. So it's Stingray season, and you got to really be careful. There's a sign over at the Marriott that says you got to shuffle your feet. Some guy just came off out of the water with being held by his buddies, and you can see they're all hovering over him. He got stung by a I guess one of the rays underneath the water, and the EMTs came here. They called, and little action on the beach here on Marco. But yeah, hope he's okay. Stingray season. You better shuffle your feet, just like the Double Dutch bus. So you can see out on Collier Boulevard, they're actually setting up for the traffic that's about to happen here tonight. They don't want anybody coming down and turning around and all these, because they're right over here, just to the right where those people are standing. That's the cut through to get to the beach. And there's only a few of them on this road. The Marriott's just down there to the right, but yeah, this is the calm before the storm. It's sort of after beach day and before fireworks. And Maisie, she's doing her thing out here. Hey, girl. What's really interesting is the JW Marriott is down there, and then the Marco Island sort of residence beach is down over there, and our condo is smack in the middle of it. So that's kind of really right where they put the barge. There's the barge and the police boat right out there, and that barge, highly recommend do not light a match, because that would not be good. Wait till you see the explosions later on from that one barge, all by him loading himself out there. So here at our condo, we have to put up the fence because so many people, they want to park over here in our visitors lot, and I mean, we just don't let that happen. It would get overflowing. Joe, you getting ready to play defense or what?
Yeah, shit. Yeah.
All right, well, we're counting on you. Man, there's a big show of force tonight, huh?
They'll come piling in here.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Last year they didn't have that closed. So that's
oh, all right, so,
coming in this way.
yeah, I see. All right. Well, hey, listen, you know, all it is a bunch of fireworks. I don't know what the big deal is. This is where the beach access is, and you're not allowed to bring dogs or trash or bikes, glass, weapons, cocktails, fire, or plastic straws. And then our neighbors to the left here, the Madeira, no stopping, no loading, no unloading, no unloading, no stopping. Yeah, it gets a little wild. It gets a little wild. Beautiful building back in there, the Madeira. I think they've won awards for their landscaping and all that. And then the next building down is the JW Marriott. That's how close we are. But yeah, code enforcement, they're working hard tonight. So we're in a perfect spot. You'll see in a little while that we're just going to watch the fireworks from the 18th floor on the other side. The Gulf is on the other side over there, and it's absolutely perfect. So the parties are happening at all the different condos, and you can see right over there, that is Residence Beach, and people walk straight out, and then you get a pretty big congregation of people right over there. And then beautiful, looks like we're gonna have a nice sunset tonight. And those are the diehards over there for sure. And yeah, this is the cut from the street where I was just out on Collier, but it comes out right there. And then people from Collier Boulevard can walk out. So you'll get a big congregation right out here, probably in another hour or so. So we'll check back in. And then you got the Marriott, the tiki huts. I don't know if those of you saw our tour of the Marriott, one of those tiki huts got hit by lightning and basically blew up. Which one was it? I don't know. They must have already rebuilt it. That was crazy. There's lots of different options to watch the fireworks. Here we are right by the pool, and you can see they will be lighting up basically right between those trees up in the sky. And I'm going to walk out and show you what the beach looks like right now. About 8:40 at night, and it's it's beautiful glow out there. Everybody's getting pumped and ready for the fireworks. Here's my owl scaring away what are they scaring away? I don't know. So here we are down on the beach. It's about 8:40 p.m. and Boy, oh boy, it's pretty crowded here tonight. So let's walk to the water. Boy, the sun is setting. It's about 8:45. It's looking really sweet. And if you check out, let's see, we're gonna go over here to our building and let's go up and see if someone might be there. There she is. There is the missus. Out of spec mom, Kathy Connor. She is hanging out. Oh boy, everybody's getting ready for the fireworks. Everybody is getting ready for the fireworks. Check it out down here, Marco Island, Florida. This is the scene right here. We got all kinds of people. People are swimming in the ocean, swimming in the Gulf. You can see the boat right out there, the barge. There it is. There's the barge. And then there's one of the police boats. Actually, that's a fire boat. I think it was last year the barge caught on fire. That was pretty cool. And yeah, everybody's getting into it here. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Crescent Beach, 3.5 miles long. Should have brought the drone out tonight. That would have been cool. Oh well, maybe next year. But yeah, there's just condo after condo. Now the Marriott, boy, I bet that rooftop bar we filmed at, that must be a tough place to get a reservation at tonight. It's all lit up. What a great spot to watch the fireworks from over at the Marriott. That's the adult pool right over there. And then you got Tulia, the restaurant right there. All right, so I'm gonna head back into the condo. Rob and Freddie are actually cooking burgers up on the grill down by the pool. So I think I probably should have helped them. But I wanted to go down to the beach for all of you, check and show you what is the scene on Marco Beach. Anyway, we gotta get the burgers done, head upstairs, and then the fireworks will start. And boy, they light them up here on Marco.
Hamburgers.
Hamburgers. 4 hamburgers.
Shrimp to come. And shrimp to come.
How many people are we?
We started too late, so we couldn't go full.
No, I know. We got carried away with the beverages. All right, now we're talking. We got shrimp on the bobby.
Surf and turf.
Surf and turf.
Can you tell us a little bit about what your new channel is all about?
Dave and Kathy Unplugged. It's about anything other than electric vehicles. So for example, I'm just filming YouTube clowns cooking burgers and shrimp on the barbie. Okay? That's content right there. Who brings you that kind of content?
That's right.
I do.
Look at the palm trees. Do you realize you have palm trees behind you at the moment here?
There are palm trees everywhere. I heard they're like weeds down here, though. They're not really trees.
So what is your next video? Because I'm really looking forward to
my next video. I'm going to be making a video about my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone and why you need one. Because I don't just do travel and food, we do technology as well. And then we're going to be up in Sarasota on Sunday, dropping Maisie off. Katie's going to be driving down from Tampa when she flies back from Italy. We got to do the dog handoff, so we're going to do a little vignette about Sarasota, and that's going to be fun. And then who knows what else? You know, you just never know, Rob.
Can't
you just
wait.
Never know.
Can't wait.
All
Awesome
right,
stuff. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you. And as we're still cooking under the grill, the fireworks have begun. Oh boy. Look at that. Here we go.
like 5. I was like, well, we gotta go in there. It's nothing.
Well, it's a wrap here from Marco Island, and all of the local patrols, they're finally going home. It's been an amazing day here, and Marco Island is simmering down after the fireworks and after the day of the beach, and it's kind of a sleepy little
Yeah, this is
10:55 at night.
There's a lot of action.
A lot of action here, but
11 o'clock at night.
But anyway, thanks everyone for watching another episode of Dave and Kathy Unplugged. Unplugged. There goes the Domino's guy. Hey, you want to get some pizza?
We ate so much food.
Oh, I know.
Have a good night, everybody.
Bye-bye.